everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to add new rows in Google Sheets automatically. So first, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet program. Although Shopify and Google Sheets have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to Google Sheets. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in Choose App first, I am going to choose Shopify here. Okay. Now, according to our workflow, new customer created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. New customer created. This one, new customer. So when you click on trigger event, you might have seen that we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to explain? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when new customer is created will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. Now you again might be confused. Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify in our case. So you can read the instructions carefully and you can just follow them. So I am going to copy my webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Shopify account. So this is a dashboard of my Shopify account, and now I'll go to my settings over here. And here you can see notifications. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, so now I'll just scroll down, and when I go down, here you can see this term called webhooks. So we are going to create a webhook over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so the event here is, according to our workflow, we are creating a new customer. That is why our event will be customer creation. So you can see customer creation is over here. So I'm going to click on it. So our event is going to be customer creation. Format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'll just paste it over here. Webhook API version will be 2020-10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, we have successfully saved our webhook over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now it is time to capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new customer will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the information. So now it is time to go and create a new customer in Shopify. So now I'll go to my Shopify account and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so this is our store of Shopify. Now here you can see this icon over here. So I'm going to click on it. And from here, we are going to create account. That means we are going to create a new customer's account. Okay, so first name I am going to put John, last name Markle, mobile number, okay, email johnmarkle@gmail.com. Okay, password, I'll just create a password. Okay, now I'm going to create an account for this new customer. Okay, we have successfully created a new customer by creating a new account in Shopify. So now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the response. The customer ID is here. The email is here. If you go down, you can see the created time, updated first name, last name. Okay, you can see the phone number is also here. If you go down here, you can see the currency. Okay, so now we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now here in choose app, I am going to choose Google Sheets. This one. Now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, we want to create a new row in Google Sheets for all the information. So create new row, that is add new row, will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on add new row. Now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. Okay, credentials, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have any existing credential like this, you can just directly click on it and you can go ahead. But here I am going to click on new credentials. Okay, now before connecting with Google Sheets, what I'm going to do is I'll go to Google Sheets and I'm going to create a new spreadsheet and give the name to it and also add some fields. So I'll go to Google Sheets. So I've already opened it over here. Now I'm going to create a blank spreadsheet. Okay, so first I'll just give it a name. Shopify to Google Sheets. Okay, customer ID. Then I also need the name of the customer. Okay, I'll just extend these fields. The next one is going to be email ID, then phone number. So now I want whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, I want all these details of the particular customer in Google Sheets. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so here you have to choose the account where you have created your Google Sheets. Like here you can see the account is Gary Monroe and here you can see Gary Monroe was displayed over here, this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on this account. I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Okay, so now you can see we have all these fields over here and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response over here. Okay, so now here you can see spreadsheet. So the name of the spreadsheet has already been mapped over here. You can see the name of my spreadsheet was Shopify to Google Sheets and it has been mapped over here. And even the sheet 1, if I go back to my sheet, you can see it is sheet 1 and that is why that has been mapped over here. Okay, now customer ID. So customer ID, name of the customer, email ID, phone number. These were the fields that I already created in Google Sheets because I want all these information. So now we are going to map all the values. So first is customer ID. So this is the customer ID. I'll just map it. Name of the customer. First name is John. I'll also put the last name. I'll just give a space in between. Okay. Now Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can put both first name and last name together in one field. Okay, email ID, I'll just map the email ID as well. Okay, phone number. So here phone number has come as note, that is here. So I'll just map it here. Okay, so now I'm going to save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Shopify and Google Sheets over here. I'll just save this. Okay, so now let's go to Google Sheets and see if all these information has been stored over there or not. So I'll go to Google Sheet. Okay, so you can see customer ID is here, name of the customer is here, email ID is here, phone number is also here. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Google Sheets here. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'm going to go to Shopify and I'm going to create a new customer again. So I'll go to Shopify. So here is the online store. I'll just go to this icon. I'll just log that one out and I'll click here again. Okay, so create account. Okay. So first name is going to be Fiona, last name is Steve, mobile number, okay, email fionasteve@gmail.com, password, okay, create. Okay, so we have successfully created a new account for a new customer. Now let's go back to Google Sheets and see if this new information has been stored as a new row or not. So I'll go to Google Sheets. So you can see we have already got the information. Customer ID is here, Fiona Steve, name of the customer, email ID is here, and the phone number is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration here and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Google Sheets. So now every time a new customer is created in Shopify, new row will be created in Google Sheets automatically with all the information. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.